your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified. And for my loyal subscribers, YouTube is doing a bunch of funny things, so don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Okay, so in saying that, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today, I want to show you how I made this gorgeous centerpiece arrangement for my dining room, and this was done on such a low budget. And as you can tell, I am on this low budget kick because I am trying to save for a new couch. Actually, a new couch and a whole bunch of other stuff that I want. But anyways, so I'm going to turn the camera around and I will show you how I made this. Okay, love, so this is how I am making the centerpieces. So as you can see on my table, I've already done one, but I'm going to do this one closest to us right now so I can show you what I did and what I came up with. And I don't know if you remember this. I showed this on one of my shopping hauls, and I could not believe the price of this. I think it was $4.99 at Homesense. So what I got is these really pretty orchid stems from Micheals, and I thought they were really nice. I just got them over the weekend, so they're still there. They're just like a pale green and a fuchsia, and I thought for the summertime they were really, really good. Let me show you the price of them. They are actually $6.99. I don't know if it's focusing. $6.99 Canadian. So I think in the US they're probably cheaper. Okay, so also for this, 2 bags, I have them here, of these stones, these decorative accent stones. I don't know if it's glaring or not. Anyways, these are from the Dollar Tree, and as we all know, this is amazing. For $1.25 in Canada, you cannot go wrong with this. So what I did, it's really, really simple. I took the stem like this, and I basically, there's like a little thing here where it started. So I started twisting it around like this. It's really simple. I just basically need it to fit in the base of the vase. And I don't like to use anything permanently because, as you know, I like to reuse my stuff. So that's all I did there. So I kind of bend it around. So basically I'm going to put it down in here. You can see it like that. Okay, so that's pretty much as simple as it's going to get. I'm just going to flatten this a little bit so it sits proper. Hold on, can you see it like that? There. So I'm just going to flatten it, and then you got it there. Okay, so now it's sitting all the way down, flat on the bottom up there. And then, look how easy this is. So you just open the rocks, and you just add the rocks to inside the base, and it makes this like powder, but I think it's okay. So the rocks don't fill the base all the way. So, oh my God, you can see all the powder in the sun. Sorry guys, this is the only day I had to film this, and I really, really wanted to film this for you guys. So I just wanted to add a bit more rocks so it looks a little bit better. And you just take the rocks and you spread them all around like that. So when you're sitting at the table, the rocks actually help to show the shape of the vase. And I thought that was really good, and that's what I really, really wanted. So now I'm just going to play with my orchid to make it look a little more realistic. And basically what I wanted it was to just show inside the vase like that. So I'm going to do the next one, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, love, so my lighting is a little bit better now. I really apologize for the lighting before, but this is the finished product. So there's the 3 lovely vases that I actually got, and I think they turned out really, really good. I'm really happy with them. The middle one, I made it stand up straight because just from afar I wanted it to look like that. and the one here is going one way and this one's going another way. But I think for such an inexpensive look, they turned out really, really good. So that's the three of them together. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm your girl, Bella. I really, really enjoy spending my days with you guys, and I hope you enjoy my videos. I have so much fun making these videos for you guys. So if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I think I'm actually going to do another giveaway. Yes, I am. So at 7:50, I am announcing today that at 7:50, I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm so excited. Ooh, I love giveaways. I love giving people gifts. Okay, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and on the little bell. And I hope you're having an amazing, amazing day. I hope you liked this video. This was pretty inexpensive. The vase cost what, $4.99. The flower cost $6.99 Canadian, and the little rocks are just $1.20. $1.25 each. So for such an inexpensive way, I think this is a nice idea for a wedding, baptism, shower, ladies' luncheon, or just an idea to put in your house. I mean, you don't have to use the same colors I did. But yeah, so anyways, so that is it. That is it for the video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.